In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permission profiles in DocuSign eSignature. Understanding how to effectively manage these profiles will help you ensure that the right people have the appropriate access to your DocuSign account, thus maintaining a secure and efficiently run document signing process. So let's dive in and start managing those permissions with ease. First, you'll want to head over to the DocuSign website, which is renowned for being a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Login button. This is generally found at the top right-hand corner of the page. By logging in, you'll gain access to your DocuSign account and the various administrative features that are at your disposal. Once you're logged in, navigate to the DocuSign homepage. This serves as your main hub for document management and administration tasks. From here, we need to locate and click on the Admin option. This area is where all administrative controls, including user and permission management, can be accessed. The Admin button is typically found in the menu and can be easily spotted with its straightforward label. After you've clicked on Admin, you'll be taken to the Admin dashboard. Here, you want to find the Permission Profile section. This section is crucial because it allows you to view and manage the various profiles that determine what actions users in your organization can perform within DocuSign. Click on Permission Profiles to continue. Now that you're in the Permission Profile section, you'll be able to see a list of all existing profiles. These profiles are essentially sets of rules and permissions applicable to different users based on their roles within your organization. You can create new profiles, edit existing ones, or delete those that are no longer required. When editing or creating a profile, consider what access each user should have. Balancing accessibility with security is key. For instance, while sales representatives might need to send and track documents, administrative staff may require more extensive access to manage account settings and user permissions. It's always a good practice to regularly review and update these profiles to reflect any changes in your team structure or roles. This ensures that permissions remain appropriate and secure over time. By following these steps and tips, you'll manage permission profiles in DocuSign eSignature efficiently, helping your organization maintain streamlined and secure document workflows. And there you have it. Managing permission profiles in DocuSign eSignature can be straightforward when you know where to find and how to use the right tools. Keep this guide handy next time you're updating your profile, ensuring a smooth and secure electronic signature experience for your entire team. Thank you for watching and happy signing.